What is Tor? Tor, short for the Onion Router, is a free and open source software that enables anonymous communication on the internet. It is designed to protect your privacy and prevent surveillance or tracking by hiding your IP address and encrypting your internet traffic. Tor is often used to access the dark web, hidden parts of the internet, and to browse the regular web anonymously. How does Tor work? Tor works by routing your internet traffic through a network of volunteer-operated servers called nodes or relays to obscure your identity and location. Here is a step-by-step explanation to make it easier to understand. First, your device sends a request. When you use Tor, your internet request, for example visiting a website, is encrypted and sent to the Tor network. Secondly, the request travels through multiple nodes. Your request is passed through 3 random nodes in the Tor network. Entry node, the first server that receives your request. It knows your IP address but not your destination. Middle node, the second server that passes your request along. It doesn't know your IP address or your destination. Exit node, the final server that sends your request to the destination website. It knows the destination but not your IP address. Thirdly, encryption at every step. Tor encrypts your data multiple times, like wrapping it in layers of packaging, so no single node knows both your identity and your destination. Lastly, reaching the destination. Once your request reaches the exit node, it is decrypted and sent to the destination website. Why use Tor? Firstly, privacy protection. Tor hides your IP address, making it difficult for websites advertisers to track you. And it is used for the dark web access. Tor is the gateway to the dark web, where hidden websites with .onion domains exist. It is a powerful tool for protecting your privacy and accessing restricted content. However, it is important to use it responsibly and understand its limitations. Think of it as your invisibility clock for the internet, but remember that no tool is perfect. Thank you so much for watching this video. Your support means the world to me. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.